In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable images in Google Chrome step by step so you can browse faster, save data, and reduce distractions while you're online. This is a really simple Chrome setting, and once you know where to find it, you can turn images off in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all the browser settings and controls. From that menu, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of the browser's permissions and website-related settings, so this is where we need to be. Next, in the center panel, click Site Settings. This is the area where Chrome lets you manage what websites can and cannot do, including things like location, pop-ups, camera access, and image display. Once you're inside site settings, scroll down until you find the content section. Under content, click additional content settings or additional permissions, depending on the version of Chrome you're using. Then click images. This will take you to the setting that controls whether websites are allowed to display images in your browser. Here, you'll see the option that says, Don't allow sites to show images. Select that option to disable images in Google Chrome. As soon as you turn this on, websites will stop loading images automatically, which can help pages load faster and use less bandwidth. If you ever want to turn images back on later, just come back to this same images setting and switch it back to the default option that allows sites to show images. That way, you can easily toggle the feature on and off whenever you need it. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable images in Google Chrome in a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.